Today, we are taking you to Kilifi County. Culture cooking is the exploration of the cultural connection, traditions, and stories that make up our cuisine. It can refer as sharing recipe experience from a different culture. And welcome as we do a barbecue in the Kenyan coast. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel because we have plenty and more content about the culture. Now this is a goat, a slaughtered goat, and what we are doing right now, we are skinning the goat. We skin the goat by tying it around its neck and hang it on the top of a tree. And now by using a sharp knife and by the help of your friends and fellows, so everyone is holding a notch of the skin, and that's how we skin our goat. You can see it's very easy. This was very interesting. Now that is our skinned goat. As you can see, he was trying to dance salsa with the goat. Now from there, we're just cutting through the meat to separate its parts. That were the arms. And remember, you should have sharp knives. Now that's the goat leg. Now this is a goat head. It's believed the goat head make a very good soup, and my wife decided to show us the culture quest, meaning how they do it at their home by roasting it on an open fire and remove its hair by scrubbing the head and its legs. And she was trying to show us how they do it. And trust me, the soup would be amazing because it will have some smoked flavor from the open fire and open fire roasting. As you can see, we take off the hooves of the goat and we remain with the leg. The other people are asking, do we eat the brain? Yes, the brain of the goat is very rich in flavor, guys. Trust me. Now, after scrubbing it up, that's how it looks like, ready to go into the soup pot. Now, as we continue to make our soup, we are doing the marinade by using garlic and rosemary that we just took it from the farm around. So using this monta and pesto, we call it kinu. We crush some salt and black pepper, then we lay banana leaves. This acts as our our working area. And our marinade just simple: salt, pepper, rosemary. So we poke our meat with a knife so that it can the marinade can penetrate inside the meat. Here we have got two two goat leg and one side of the lamb, not the lamb, but the goat, the goat ribs. So you can see the salt and pepper. We just made it around, followed by the garlic and the herb. You can use any type of herb, but rice we just had rosemary that we took it from the farm, and that's was our traditional marinade. Cooking in the village is really interesting. After seasoning our meat, we just let it rest for around 10-15 minutes. Then definitely we grill it. So remember the leg, it has got some a membrane, so you just have to cut it through so that the marinade can just go into. Without cutting through or poking your meat, you might find the seasoning does not get inside of the meat, so we have to poke it out, or you can just get rid of the membrane that is found on the meat. The membrane is the whitish fatty parts. Yeah, and it's ready. You can see how it looks like after marinade. Now we take it to the grill sector. This is the barbecue. Yeah, you see after some time we just turn it over. You can see the golden, the brown, that means it's really cooking. Good food, good mood, guys. We're just creating that good mood in the village, guys. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Wow. I know you guys are salivating on the other side, guys. Oh, yeah. Keep on checking after every 10 or after every 5 minutes. Wow. Remember, guys, to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share. Yeah, as we will continue doing a barbecue, yeah, with the help of our friends, we had to take some madafu. This is coconut, not the milk, but madafu. It really helps in kidney and skin. So we're just sipping up a little bit as we wait for our meat to cook. Ooh. Yeah, good food, good mood, guys. And that's how we did our barbecue in Kilifi County.